In-announce nga may ara kami fire safety orientation and fire drill at 1 p.m. Mandatory ang attendance so kahit day off kailangan gigyapon mag-attend. While sitting there and waiting for the program to start, short videos lang ani ang ginakuhaan ko. First of all, si Sir Yuni ang nag-open sang program kag nag-lead sang discussion. Then our boss, si Sir Milad, nag-additional discussion and reminders about fire safety and proper response during emergency, especially based on what happened during last week at the resto. Our guest, FO3 Sir Gino A. Aguirre from BFE Boracay Malay Aklan, also gave us a lecture about fire prevention, most importantly kung paano maprotektahan ang atong kaugalingon kag aton guests in case of fire emergency. So bali si Sir Aguirre may upod nga assistant si Sir Poras kag sila ang nagdemo sa amon kung paano gamiton ang fire hose, kin-explain nila ang details kag proper handling sini step by step. Different fire safety equipments and tools also ginpakita nila. Si Marlo kag si Sir Rolda nagdemo man pero this time gina-imagine nila using their hands nga ara sila ga-handle sang fire hose samtang gapungko. Ginapakita nila ang proper movements bisag ga joke-joke sila. Gindiscuss man nila ang blanketing technique and fire extinguisher including the T-pass method, twist, pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep, and the different types of the fire extinguisher kag kung diin sila dapat gamiton. After sang orient, nag-standby anay kami while waiting sa command sang BFP, arala kami sa resto waiting for the further instructions kung saan una mag-start ang actual fire drill. So while waiting, syempre kumuha muna ako mga videos. Nag-start na dayon ang actual fire drill, ginuna nila ang demonstration kung paano magpatay sang apoy using the proper fire extinguisher and the correct technique. Then, individually kinahatagan sang chance ang mga willing mag-participate para matry man nila kung paano magpatay ng apoy. Si Sir nag-volunteer man kag nag-participate together with some of our coworkers. Most of them were boys. Anyway, hindi ako ka-video mismo kay full na ang storage sang cellphone ko. The good thing, may mga pictures and videos nga gin-share si Sir Milad kag si Cheryl sa group chat. So, nag-gather ko man ang mga documents. Thank you so much po. As you can see, very active ang mga coworkers ko kag naga-participate sila kag willing gid mag-cooperate. After that, nag-proceed naman kami sa REMA sa garden area sang resort where everyone was encouraged to participate, boys or girls by department. Si Kuya Oscar very attentive gid sa iyang movements kag galawan. Ako I really wanted to learn so nag-participate man ko bisan nagaubo-ubo pa ko da. Sayang lang kay wala ko na video ang iban nga nag-participate because full storage na gid ang phone ko. And for the last demo, ginpakita naman nila ang blanketing technique which is used to smooth the fire by covering it and cutting off the oxygen. After that, sunod-sunod naman ang mga kitchen department nga nagdemo. Everyone had the chance to participate and learn the proper way of responding during a fire emergency. After sang program, may dinner preparation naman nga provide by our boss, Sir Milad, together with Ma'am AM. Thank you so much po. May free access kami sa swimming pool for those people who wants to swim. Pero unfortunately, gulpi ang ulan so nag-decide na lang kami nga hindi na lang maglangoy. Instead, magpahuway na lang after naman dinner. Salamat. Ay, thank you. Thank you, Be. I love you, Be. Ay, bang. Super busog at may learnings pa kami nakuha. Ramel, after that, tapos na ang program so na-istroyhanay na lang kami while eating. Thank you for watching. See you at the next vlog. Bye!